Alright guys, just to quickly show you the route I take from the mall to the library and from the library to the mall. I'm walking really fast because it's windy and staticky throughout my journey. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. Catch you guys in the next clip. We'll be vlogs uploading every Saturday evening or every Wednesday evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. Alright guys, so I just came back from the store and I thought I'd show you guys quickly my Ravens key. I'm a Ravens fan for life. Go Ravens! And the Texas key that my mom gave me before she passed. Heading into the door and check you guys later. Bye. So here I'm going to show you guys some of the things in the store. First I got the Kleenex, the soft kind for my nose because I'll be stuffed up. The 2 cases of Plumber, Liquid Plumber Full Clog Destroyer. These work amazing on my clogs. Got 2 of them for $4.79. Got the Fructis Buttercream for dry curly hair. I love the green bottle there, which is the Sleek and Shine Intensively Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream. They're both leave-in conditioners, and I decided to try the buttercream. And then the hand and body lotion from Jason. It's supposed to be fragrance-free, no parabens, no petroleum. None of the bad stuff that irritates my skin. So I tried that out, and it was great. Ended up dropping it, trying to be all professional and stuff. But that's the stuff I got from the store. I got it from Giant. And hey guys, so here's me walking to the store. I'm trying now to just start vlogging whenever I have free time or whenever I'm walking somewhere, because it's easy to say that you're vlogging, but to actually do it. So I forced myself to turn on the camera button and just start vlogging. So here we go. I'm taking you guys on a tour to the store. There's Grandfather's. It's like a wood shop on the left side. And there's still snow from the snowstorm that was in January. Still here on the ground. Hasn't been shoveled or anything. There's supposed to be a snowstorm coming this weekend, but hopefully it doesn't happen. If you guys live in the Maryland, DC area, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, I wish I was in Florida or on the West Coast. Bye.